Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. This is Mo Crypto and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we're going to be talking about a few things, including Warren.Finance, Pulsechain, and this is going to be a good video, so you want to stick till the end. Thank you so much for everybody who's been tuning in. I mean, last week I noticed the YouTube stats have been going up, guys. Analytics have been looking good. Everything is green. You guys have been watching, supporting. Oh my God, I'm so thankful. Thank you so much for being here. Now, I don't want to make this introduction too long, guys. Today's Pulsechain analysis is the following. So as you guys can see, for 161 days, we've been going nothing but sideways since the dump because of the SEC, right? So that was around the end of July. We've been going down, 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 and then it stabilized. It went back up a little bit, and then it stabilized again. It went back up a little bit, and then it stabilized before we blew up, right? Now, if you look at the values, guys, if you look at the values, we went from the bottom all the way to the top, which was 210%, give or take, right? 210% price momentum that happened between the beginning of January till the period, which is like last couple of days, right? So that was about like 3 weeks of nothing but pumping, right? So all of our bags have grown. Warren.Finance TVL has grown. Everything has been looking so good, right? But now we've taken some kind of retracement, which is, guys, completely normal. Completely normal. This is what do you guys expect when the price of a cryptocurrency goes up by 200%? Taking a 26% price correction is completely fine for me, in my opinion. I mean, I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section below. What do you think exactly about this kind of correction? But if you look at it from the bottom all the way to where we're at right now, we're still at a 130% price increase, right? And we're still, based off of the statistics, over the sacrifice price. So overall, everything has been looking very, very good, right? Now, all this brings back the fact that in Warren.Finance right now, the sword and shield has been working flawlessly. So as you guys can see, the TVL from the beginning of the year has gone from around 800,000 all the way to 1.85 million. And after that correction of Pulse, we've only gone down to around 1.6 million. So this tells you that the protocol is very sustainable. No matter what kind of kick you give to it, it still is paying out. It still has a TVL that's 1.5 million and up, right? And we still haven't gone down under 2 cents. So this is very good. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because I've seen some people on Telegram have mentioned that why is the price of the TVL gone down? Why is the Warren price gone down? But this is completely normal, guys. And I just want to be here and tell you guys before you think something's going on. We did get a few sells, but that's completely okay. And we've been preaching actually that everybody should be taking some profits. But at the same time, the price fluctuation of Pulsechain directly affect the price of the TVL, because as you guys know, the sword and shield TVL of the protocol is composed of WPLS and the Dai token. So our TVL went down by about 10 to 15%, even though the price of the Warren token went down by 25%. If this was a different kind of liquidity, which is just one cryptocurrency not tied to a stablecoin, our TVL would have been much, much worse. So I, for one, am super thankful, and I'm going to be doubling down on Warren every chance I get. You know what I mean? And another very cool stat is if I go to my other wallet, I can see that right now I've hit a milestone of 200,000 bonds staked. So in combination between two wallets, I have 500,000 Warren tokens that are staked. So I'm very, very thankful. Now in my second wallet, I'm at 4.65%. I don't want to make this go on too long. I'm not going to wait too long. I'm probably going to be selling, because I told myself I'm going to be selling at $2.5 to $3,000 worth of tokens, right? But I think what I'm going to be doing is once I reach 100,000 available Warren, I'm going to go ahead and sell whatever's in here. Okay, so that's the first part of the video. That's what I want to tell you guys. So probably in the next video that I film about Warren, or in the next couple of videos, I'm probably going to be taking some profits, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly how to break my LPs, what I do with my profits, or what I do with my Pulse tokens. It's gonna be a good show, guys. It's gonna be a good week. I'm super excited. A lot of things are in the works. Okay, so this was the first thing that I want to tell you guys. There's two things left in this video, so don't X out yet, okay? You guys remember this bond promotion that's going on right now? If you haven't put out your bond, this is the time, because the promotion is going to end in 7 days, one more week. Okay, so if you want to win a prize of a early bird or a bond bonus boost, all you have to do is just follow the information on the screen right now, but you still have one more week to enter your bond, and hopefully you win an extra either 13%, which is over here, 17%, 20%, or for the bond bonus boost, you get an airdrop of 10% of the entire value of your stake, as opposed to the bottom up to $2,500 staked. Okay, so that's pretty cool. But guys, at the bottom of the screen, as you guys can see, it says that for the Warren.Finance NFT giveaway, as an added incentive to participate in the exciting Warren.Finance bond promotions, we will be awarding each winner from the bond bonus boost an early bird bonus special and an exclusive Warren.Finance NFT. And I'm super pumped to let you guys know that this week is going to be the reveal of those NFTs. There's 4 different NFTs for the 3 tiers and another special NFT that's going to come out, guys. I'm super pumped for you guys to see them. They're going to be super sick. I saw an early glimpse at them, guys. Woo! They look good, guys. They look good. You guys don't want to miss this, so tune in to the next few videos, and we're probably going to be announcing them on Telegram. There's probably going to be a voice chat to announce them, something like that, something very special. But I'm going to be dropping that follow-up video showing you guys these NFTs. It's going to be super cool, so I'm looking forward to that. Okay guys, the last thing I wanted to discuss in today's video is an error message that a lot of you guys have seemed to be getting on Telegram, and a lot of you guys have been mentioning, how come I'm not able to stake my bond that I just placed as a bond into the ecosystem, right? So a lot of you guys just want to be staking your bonds. Now, let me tell you guys how this works, okay? So the protocol automatically adds in the extra 40% or 30% that you choose to add to your bond once you put it in, right? So let's say you want to put in a bond of 40 days. Whatever amount you put over here, as you notice at the bottom here, it shows an extra 40%. So it goes from $2.06 to $2.89, okay? The same kind of concept goes for the 30 days. It goes from $2.06 to $2.68 because it adds an extra 30%, right? So what a lot of you guys have been noticing is that as soon as you stake your bond, then you go to the stake tab and you try to stake that current bond that you have, it shows an error message, okay? That error message says error, please try again, or something like that, right? The issue that you guys are experiencing is based on the fact that once you create a bond over here, let's say you create a bond 50%, right? My 94 becomes 126. But what you guys are failing to understand that you need an equivalent of 126 LPs in your wallet to be able to stake that bond, okay? And let's say I do this, okay? I'm gonna put in okay, I'm gonna do this actually just to show you guys exactly how this is going. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing a bond, okay? Okay, so the way you have to do it, just so that I can show you the right way to do this, is you always have to select the 41%, because if you want to stake, you have to add 41% of the bond to take into consideration the extra 40% that is going to be added to your bond, okay? Otherwise, if you use all the LPs in your wallet, then you're not going to have any more LPs to match to that bond to be able to stake it into the platform, right? So let's say I have this bond of $2 that I want to stake, right? I'm not going to put max, because if I put max, then I'm not going to have any more LPs in my wallet to create a stake. And what's going to happen is this bond is going to be locked for 40 days, and it's only going to be available in the staking tab on this side in 40 days, okay? If I want to select a bond of 40 days and then I want to stake it, this is what I'm going to do. I choose 41%. It's automatically going to be taking 41% of whatever LPs I have in my wallet and adding an equivalent amount, which is $2.37 total. And then I click create bond, okay? Perfect. As you guys can see, it took away 77 LPs for the bond. It turned that to 104 LPs, right? And I have in my wallet 111 LPs left. Now, if I go to the stake tab and then I go to the drop down, you guys can see the 104. So I have to have an equivalent in my wallet, which is 108, because it takes into consideration a bit of price fluctuation for the Pulse token. So you have to have at least 108 Dai-WPLS LPs in your wallet to stake the 104 that you just created, okay? And right now I have 111, so the error message is not going to appear. So I have to just click stake a bond and it's going to connect to your wallet right away. If you, let's say you have 104 over here, which turns to 108, but you don't have 108 over here. Okay, let's say you have 100. Then automatically, as you click stake a bond, it's going to tell you have an error message. It's not going to be able to match that equivalent amount into your stake. You understand what I mean? That's exactly the error message that you guys are getting. So you have to always make sure that you have an equivalent amount of LPs on this side. Because once you select the bond, over here it's just going to display the amount that you need. It doesn't tell you this is what you have. It just says the amount that you need. So this over here shows the amount that you have, and that is going to have to be more than the amount of tokens you need to be able to stake that bond. I hope this is clear, guys. If you guys have any other questions, please go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. If you would like to get started, whether you want to create a bond, you want to make a stake, use the information that's in the video description. Get yourself started with Warren.Finance. And if there's nothing else, guys, have a great Monday. Follow Warren.Finance on Twitter, which is Warren_Pulse on Twitter. And on Telegram, we're at Warren.Finance, right? So ask us questions everywhere. We're going to be answering you as soon as we see the questions. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next Warren.Finance video.